Hello, this is me attempting to fix the Lazy Spa Vegas pump. I've had a leak in here somewhere, but I can't access it from the top. I took off this and these outer ones here, but that only lets you into the first chamber, which allows you to see this side of the pump. So the leak is in there somewhere. So I'm going to take this apart and try and find and fix the leak. Right, looking on the bottom, it looks as though there are these screws to take out. Right, I'm just taking this off. Just lay it down there. Make sure you keep the little screws. I've also marked there, just make sure I put it back in the same place. Now looking at it, see these screws here are rusted. There doesn't seem to be any splits in the rubber here. It's wet there. So it's quite hard to see where it's been leaking. Get a torch. I think it's been leaking there. That looks to be leaking there. So I'll take this apart and maybe put some sealant in there. I'll have a look. Oh no, it's not up there. Looks to be up there. Okay, right, I'll take some more stuff apart. Right, I've taken a bit more to bits. What I did is I take off the top. All you got to do to take off the top is there's 6 bolts, 6 screws up here, and the top comes off. Where did I put the top? The top comes off here, and there's a little connector, electrical connector for your control panel inside there. Just take that off. Take that off, and I saw the pump goes in here, and the bit seemed to be leaking from was round about here. So I turn it upside down, and it's been leaking here. It's been leaking there. There. So you take off 2 screws here, and that allows this. This goes in like this, and this allows this to pop down. And you can see there's damage to this O-ring here. So it should be just a matter of replacing these O-rings. See, there's damage there, which is allowing the fluid to pass through. And also, this looked at it as if it's dropped because it was this O-ring was showing. So there should be, these O-rings should be straight into the body there. So that's where it was leaking. So it should be a simple fix. We'll have a go. Alright, we'll try and replace these O-rings. Stops off. You see the damage to it.
Ross Stewart off the post, a little breakaway from Ross County there, and Stewart is just on the edge of the box. He sees the gap at the far post, tries to curl it in, and he's so unfortunate to see it rebound off the same post at that. Billy Mackay's penalty came off of as well, so big chance here for Ross County, and very unfortunate not to see it end up in the back of the net. Still 3-0.
Yeah, just just on Ross County, strange phenomenon. They've been awarded 3 penalties this season. They failed to score any of them. Billy Mackay had one saved by Xander Clark in the Betfred Cup. Brian Graham hit the post against Hearts here at Tynecastle.
Two rings.
And now Billy Mackay.
That one's actually in decent
up there at
condition, that one.
So, that is
But
something
I
that
have
we want to-
an O-ring set here, which I've just picked up at Aldi's or Lidl's, I can't remember which. And if you get the right size,
Well, dark clouds to come across. There's more blue skies to come, but it just changes the
these two
outlook
here.
completely here. And it's still 2-1 Hearts. But
These two
last week you were saying across the Easter Road, Mikey, you
are
were
the
saying
same size,
you thought that
so we'll
just
pop that
Wilson
door
Johnston had it with
on.
him to come back. You get that sense again here.
From the left. What was the left
Right,
back here? I think it was
when you put these
Fiona
O-rings on,
Stubbs that played it all the way across.
Vaseline will be the stuff to
Goes up with
put in,
Aaron Hickey,
but
wins the ball.
I can't find any.
Hickey spots
So
the
I'm using a little bit of
McGowan
washed up
cuts
liquid,
inside, and there's that man,
hopefully
with the
that'll just
strike
go over.
into the bottom corner, and Doyle couldn't get to it. 2-2.
So as Michael was saying,
Nice.
it was
So
inevitable
first,
Hamilton were going to get back on
that's
level
it.
terms in this
A little
game.
bit.
Shake level terms at Hill as well.
And of all people, I suspected it might happen. Chris Dolan has come back to hot thistles, a rocket shot against the post. The goalkeeper was nowhere near it. It came back off, and there was Dolan in the poaching.
Had a number of chances.
Right, put this O-ring on. I found a little screwdriver, just to force it onto the next
Argue that they didn't deserve it. At this moment in time, I don't think you can argue
location.
that
That's the first one on.
to get themselves back level. As,
Second one.
That man Oakley's getting
A little
substituted. He's just coming off.
lubrication,
Getting a big round of applause from the travel and support there. And
and
now
over and into
he's coming off to
snaps into
take his
place.
place.
Now,
Johnson
that
really going
should be
for
that.
Johnson coming on, and good to see Drew right back. He's on as well. Kennedy and Bucky right way, so they're really going for it. Billy made a change himself. Luke Miller off. Tom Thomas on.
And it's still 1-0 Kilmarnock against St Johnson, 1-0 Motherwell against the Burn
Yeah,
here, 2-2
that places
Hamilton here now,
should push in.
2-1 Libby against St Mirren.
I'll put
And
this
the home team
screws in,
hosting to the
hold it in
this
place.
afternoon. Roy, the team you're watching, Aberdeen.
Yeah, that's a big wall.
Right, that's the two screws in there, and the other side there. You can see where this backup O-ring is hard up against there, so that should stop any leak. Although the first O-ring should stop leak, but if that fails, then this backup O-ring will stop any fluid coming out. So hopefully that's it.
They'd be angry, and I think that's the way it's
Right,
playing out
I've
at the
replaced
moment.
the
This is a
bottom
must-win
plate.
for Hearts, and at the moment they're not doing enough. The team that are doing more likely, looking at the one that have got 3 points at the moment, is not enough. They're the better side in the second half.
Right, so Roar 1, Peterhead 2, and Peterhead down to 10 men. Remember, and it's David Dangana on loan from Aberdeen who's got his second goal for Stranraer. It's come in the final 5 minutes or so of the game.
Again.
It may be too little too late, but there's an opportunity there for Stranraer to try to get back on level terms. And that one, and it is 3-0 for Cove Rangers. Just continuing this magnificent, dominant start to the season, our first ever season in the SPFL in League 2. And it's Fraser 5A who's got his second goal for the club with 5 minutes to go. So 3-0 for Cove Rangers. Elgin City have turned things around completely. There's Elgin City 3, Edinburgh City 2, and Shane Sutherland has got the third goal for Elgin in that one. It's been
screws here.
somewhat delayed in coming through. Full 77th minute. Not quite sure what's going on.